Hey guys, it's Candy. So I thoroughly enjoyed wearing my boho locks, yes, with human hair. And it is about time for me to take them down. And by popular demand, you guys have requested that I show you how it's removed. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. There are two different methods. This that I'm doing now is the first method. The second method I honestly, came upon by accident, and I found that that was the more effective method. So, yeah, so this is the first method. What I do is whatever direction in which the hair is wrapped, I actually twist it in the opposite direction to loosen the wrapping. So that's what I'm doing right here. And twisting the hair will loosen it so that it actually starts to slip and slide down away from your braided hair. Yeah, so once it gets to a point and you find that it can't go any further down, you just keep doing the same thing until it naturally releases itself. Yeah, so this is the first one that I did. And of course, I'm going to reinforce it for you guys so that you guys can get the full, detail of the process. Yes. So again, once I realized what direction in which I was wrapping the locks, and if you didn't see the tutorial showing how I installed them, I will leave them in the description box down below so you can check out that video. But I did use loose spring twist hair to wrap the base of the locks. So this is what I'm trying to remove right now by twisting the hair in the opposite direction to which it was wrapped. And as you can see, the hair will start to naturally slide down. Yeah, as it loosens. Yeah, but you don't want to fight it and tug it too much. So keep toggling and twisting. Just twist it and toggle it, and it will loosen. As sure as night follows day, it definitely will loosen, and you can just pull it right off. All right. So for the next one, guys, this is where I believe, was it this one? I think this was the one where I discovered that there was a easier method. It was an aha moment for me, and it happened accidentally, but some of the best inventions came about by accident. So here we go. So I am undoing, like I said before, on twisting the wrapping in the opposite direction, and then I realized that the hair was loosening at the end. So this is where the wrapping ended, guys. So once I um was able to get that loose, I realized that my hair was attached to the loop of the locks right at that point. So I'm just, continuing to wrap it upwards to continue to remove it. Yes, and right at that joining position where my hair is locked into the loop of the locks is where I realized that you just can pull it and it will be removed. But you want to make sure that you unwind the loop of the lock before you try to pull your hair through it. All right. So there you go. I've just pulled my hair off of the loop, and now the wrapped portion can slide right off. It seemed a little bit technical just now, just because it was the first time I was discovering it, but once I got the rhythm of it, hey, it was easier. So here we go. Yes, here is the proof that it gets easier once you are familiar with that technique. So yeah, so what I do is I'm just sliding the hair up and down, trying to loosen it off of the hair underneath. Yes. And the more you do that is the more you will get access to that joining part, the joining point where your hair joins the loop of the locks. And you will only understand it if you watch the installation video. But yeah, so I'm just cutting off that excess wrapping here that was in the way. And here we go. So for the installation process, my hair was folded upwards. My natural hair was folded upwards. So I'm just trying to pull it down. And once you pull it down, then it's able to slide off easily off of the loop of the faux locks. And then the wrapping portion, I can easily slide off of my hair. and it's like voila. Yeah, as easy as breeze. All right, so I'm gonna show you one more, and you guys can see up close and personal. I am twisting and toggling, twisting it and just toggling it to loosen it from my hair that is underneath. Yes, so I'm still like twisting the hair in the opposite direction. And this additional toggling motion, it helps me to unveil the end of the wrapping hair, cutting it off to release it. And then I just continue to try to undo that wrapping hair, kind of peeling it back so that my hair gets exposed to where it joins with the loop of the locks. And then I'm pulling my hair down from the wrapping, sliding it right off of the locks, and then I just go right ahead and slip it off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I do hope that you found the video helpful. Take care, and we will talk on my next one. Bye!